Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert table with column and row headers in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first open your Chrome browser, then open your Apple Keynote software. Now firstly go to the table menu and you can see here are four table. Now here are table with column and row headers. Now click this and insert it. Now firstly drag or select and move the table and click this. Now I am change the table with column and row headers color. Now select this color. You can see table with column and row headers in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.